We tell students, in order to be a successful Belk College of Business student, you need to have a high GPA, an internship, and be involved. Being involved looks different for all students, and there are many different involvement opportunities available at UNC Charlotte. Many of our students are involved in Belk College clubs and organizations, Greek organizations, and special interest clubs and organizations. This video will offer you a glimpse into the many different ways you can become involved on our campus. Our employers are looking for candidates with differing experiences and soft skills that can be developed from being involved on campus. One of the first places to start is by finding an organization that is directly connected to the Belk College of Business. Here's a sampling of many of the student organizations and involvement opportunities available to Belk College students. To find out more information regarding clubs and organizations in the Belk College, please visit our website at belkcollege.uncc.edu. Select Programs, then Undergraduate Programs, then Clubs and Organizations. Here you will find descriptions of all clubs and organizations housed in the Belk College, as well as the organization's website and social media pages. There are several other ways to get connected to campus. Whether your interests are sports, service, or the arts, there is something for everyone. You can begin by searching for clubs outside of the College of Business by going online at studentorgs.uncc.edu. Click the magnifying glass to search the Registered Student Organization directory. You can browse by category or search by keyword. Are you an avid runner? Start by typing running and click go. You'll see several options. Click on the green title to learn more about each club. You'll be directed to the club's full description, website, and contact information. Every fall, the Office of Student Activities hosts a student organization showcase that allows any registered student group to recruit and inform students about involvement opportunities at UNC Charlotte. You'll receive more information this summer when you attend SOAR. Whatever your interests may be, getting involved will help your transition to UNC Charlotte and give you the additional skills necessary for your job search. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on student organizations in the Belk College and on campus, please visit the links below. Please continue on to the next module of the Belk College Pre-Orientation.